Hey guys, welcome to this video that will be covering our 3 and 6 week checkpoints, what they are, and where to find them for the unpacking process as you work through these units. On level courses, the checkpoints are developed from performance assessments located in TRS, our TEKS resource system, and advanced courses. Those checkpoints are developed from embedded assessments located in the Springboard books. So if you're looking at the SMORE, you see on level and you see advanced. I'm going to go ahead and click on level, and this is going to take me to the TEKS resource system. So once you've logged into the TEKS resource system, I'm going to go ahead and pick a grade level. I'm going to choose 6 for this demonstration, and then mathematics. Click search, and you will see 6 folders. Each folder has information related to the different units and the TEKS for this subject. I'm going to click on the instructional focus document. And once you open that, you're going to see all of the units that align to the YAG, or the year at a glance. So if the year at a glance says you're in Unit 2, this is the Unit 2 they're talking about. Again, for this demonstration, I'm just going to pick Unit 1. So when you open Unit 1, you're going to get a unit overview. What kids should know prior to getting into this unit, what they're going to do during the unit, and then what they're going to be using after the unit. We keep scrolling down. We get to this point, which has some unit understandings and questions. These are questions, teaching moment questions that you can pose during your lessons, either in class or virtually. Then you have your overarching concepts and unit concepts, and this is what we're looking for: performance assessments. So here is Grade 6, Unit 1, PA1. If I scroll down further, I don't see a PA2, meaning this unit only has one performance assessment. So there's been talking about unpacking the PAs. So unpacking is a process where you give the kids the question, all parts of it, you give the kids a rubric, and then you discuss what skills they might need to answer the questions. So in order to unpack, you're going to want to take this entire question, copy, and paste it onto either a Google document or onto a Word document. So I'm going to get a blank document just to demonstrate that process real quick. And my view is a little wonky, so let's fix that to page width. And here is that PA. I'm going to clean it up a little bit, give it some spaces, just so it looks a little bit better. Unpacking is not answering the questions, but going over and having a class discussion about the questions. So this gives your kids a place to maybe make some notes, but definitely not answer the question ahead of time. So at this point, we have the whole PA. I can share it with my kids on paper, or I can share it with them digitally, and now we can have a conversation. The other thing you need to know about is the grading rubric. So not only do you get an answer key, you will receive the grading rubric as well. If you notice, this is in blue, because if I click it, it will take me to the rubric used to grade these 2 questions. So you see that their rubric goes from a 4 to a 0 and is very specific about what each number requires. So to get a 4, you must have a thorough and accurate explanation on your checkpoint. To get a 3, it needs to be accurate, maybe not as thorough. To get a 2, partially accurate. To get a 1, inaccurate or unclear. And then 0s are typically for no responses. I would also give my students a copy of this rubric for the unpacking process, because kids need to know exactly what they're going to be asked to do and at what level they need to answer these questions. So guys, that is what your 3 and 6 week checkpoints are and where to find them in order to go through the unpacking process. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you guys.